Today I want to share with you a very delicious mango sauce, and it's going to be right on top of chicken breast. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients: mango, 2 Serrano chilies, lime, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, sugar, the chicken breast, olive oil, and this is everything we need to make this delicious sauce with this chicken. So let's get started and let's prepare it at home. I am ready to start with my spices. I have my salt, my sugar, my black pepper, my garlic powder, and to this I'm going to add 1 lime. I want to mix everything completely because the first thing I want to do is marinate my chicken breast. That's the first thing we want to do before we continue with the rest. And now here I have my Serrano chilies, which I'm going to slice through the center, and then I want them nice and cut, and then I'm going to dice them completely. We want them to incorporate completely into the mango sauce we are going to make. I know if you don't like spicy food, just omit 1 chili and it's gonna come out perfect. A little kick to it, but not spicy where you cannot eat it. Well, I'm gonna start cutting it just like this, and then I'm gonna make sure that I dice it in very little, tiny little pieces, because I want all the delicious flavor of the Serrano chili to go into the mango sauce. Well, this is now nice and diced, and I have a little plate here. I'm going to transfer all my Serrano chili here. You want to make sure that this step you do not miss. Tell you the truth, don't just add cheese. Add your Serrano chili, at least half of 1 Serrano chili. I have my 1 cup of mango, pieces of mango, and I'm just going to start by smashing them. You want them a little chunky. Don't leave it very, smashed. You want little chunky your mango. And to this, I'm adding my sugar. I'm adding a pinch of salt. The salt is really going to bring up all the delicious flavor of the mango. And I have my Serrano chili. I'm just going to go ahead and incorporate it completely. You know something? My mouth is already watering, and this is just going to come out so delicious, this sauce. To this, I'm going to add 1 lime, the juice of 1 lime. And let's get all that delicious juice on this little cup. And of course, I'm going to strain it just in case if a seed goes in there, it doesn't go into my mango sauce. So look at this. Look how delicious juices. Of course that they are organic. I'm going to go ahead and put them through a sifter just like this. And the lime is really going to give a delicious flavor to the mango and to the rest of the ingredients, of course. Let's just incorporate it. And now I'm just going to put it aside. But before I do that, let me taste it. I want to taste it and see if it needs a little more of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. This is just perfect. We don't need to add anything else. I have my skillet here nice and hot, and I'm adding just a little bit of the olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And now my chicken is nice and marinated. It's been marinated in this delicious sauce for about 30 minutes. Of course, you could do it 1 night before, and the chicken will be so nice and tender and delicious. We're going to be cooking it for about 4 minutes each side. You don't want to be flipping them too much, or else the chicken is going to get hard and dry. So we're just going to flip them once, 4 minutes on each side, and then these are going to be completely done. These 3 chicken breasts are ready to come out, And I'm gonna continue adding the rest of the chicken breast. Let me show them to you. You could even see the marks right on the top. And let me continue adding the rest of the chicken breast. My home smells delicious, and to tell you the truth, the combination of the mango sauce with this chicken is just amazing. I want to show you how my chicken looks. It's not overcooked. 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and it's just perfection. These are the last chicken breasts that I am cooking, and look at this. They look so nice and thin, but yet they're very juicy because when I'm flipping them too much. Like I said, 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and they are done. Now I'm ready to remove them, and I'm ready to start making my presentation, of course, because I can't wait to taste it. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this delicious chicken breast with the mango sauce on the top. You know that this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I added some steamed white rice, and let's see how this came out. Excuse me. My mouth is already watering. Excuse me. You know something? The combination, the chicken with the delicious sweet and sour mango sauce is just perfection. This just came out amazing. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I'll see you soon on my next delicious recipe. And I will stay enjoying this delicious chicken breast in the mango sauce. Bye-bye.